repeatedly. Now, in most cases, they are not even the ones that look for the materials. You will go and look for the materials yourself, except for rare materials. That's the one they will help you and look for. Welcome to another Odinani series, which is the Tobo Sigwe Ezikolomuo. I want to discuss 5 types of Dibia you should stay away from. 5 types of Dibia you should stay away from. It's Odinani o'clock, whether you like it or not. It's Odinani o'clock. African Renaissance, Africa arising. Our people are waking up to defend, promote, and propagate the ways of our ancestors like never before in modern human history. However, like everything that is about to gain momentum, there will always be fakes, impostors who want to take advantage of the new wave to swindle and fleece the public of their hard-earned resources. In the name of being prophets, messiahs, and miracle workers. Why I'm doing this video is that in the Bible, I say, no, so if when you meet these fake prophets, these fake miracle workers, these magicians who are claiming to walk on waters, they will fleece you of your hard-earned resources. They will compound your problems for you. That's why I'm doing this video, to know how to spot the fake ones. Think of Bar Jesus in the Bible. Think of the many fake gurus that paraded the Western world in the 20th century, swindling unsuspecting Westerners with their fake Eastern teachings. With their fake Eastern teachings. Today is Odinani. Odinani is gaining momentum. African traditional religion is gaining momentum. So many impostors, so many Bar Jesus, so many fake gurus have jumped into the ring, claiming to be what they are not. So to avoid had I know, this is how you should be able to ascertain these fake charlatans. These charlatans, not fake charlatans, these charlatans, these fake Dibias. You were more different between Ebo and Ebo. Or why in this video. Number one, how to avoid them. Do not visit or deal with any Dibia you do not know personally. Any Dibia that you cannot ascertain the person's lifestyle, stay away from that person. No matter how sweet, how convincing he's making you to believe that he will be able to do this one and this one, or he has done this one, or she has done the other one. Be wary. Be careful. These days, someone will try one business and it doesn't work. They will deport someone from abroad and the person will come back to Nigeria and become a Dibia. Some will go and learn one trick and get one sato of work like that. Maybe Dibia. Say no, maybe Dibia. And start fleecing innocent people of their money. So before you deal with any Dibia, ensure if you know the Dibia personally. If you do not know the Dibia personally, look for someone you can trust, that can vouchsafe, someone that can tell you that he or she has had personal interaction, not just one-off with this person. I've said it. You can only know through Dibia, through their lifestyle, not through their word of mouth. The best way to do a Dibia is through their lifestyle, not just word of mouth, through their lifestyle. That is the best way. And how can you do this? Is through knowing that person or knowing someone that knows the person. You must be able to cross your T's and dot your I's before you part ways with your resources or trust someone. Ụfọdụ ejena be dibia egbu ofe. Ụfọdụ ebe na ha na-eje be dibia initiate ha into ife ha amaghị isi ha n'ọdụ ha. Some women have been slept with, have even been raped. Some women have been raped in the name of visiting a Dibia. Some people have been robbed. Some they have cast a spell on them, and they will dry them of their resources before the spell will leave their eyes. Some have run mad by dealing with a Dibia. Because after taking advantage of the person, they will make the person go mad. So you should be careful. Number 2, any Dibia that puts money first and places a price tag on every spiritual assistance is a suspect. Ndị dibịa ọnụ ndị na-agba afa sị na ha ji nka. They are more interested in money more than helping you first. They will divine for you, tell you the solution, and the solution will end in money. Because the job of a Dibia is to help. Dibia warnings up, but a Dibia is a savior. A true Dibia is a savior. And anybody that wants to save you first will not be thinking of money first. Repeatedly. In most cases, they are not even the ones that look for the materials. You will go and look for the materials yourself. Except for rare materials. That's the one they will help you and look for. You will pay, they will look for it for you, they will get it for you. You will get the materials for yourself, and when whatever service they are doing works, that's when you pay. Some that are into herbs, healing, some of them give out free medicine, free cure. They were not collecting money. But now Dibia is business, big business. Someone will go into Dibia. Within a year or two, the person has built several mansions. But the Dibia business, and it's you that they will make all this money from. That hoodwinking you, and you are paying through your nose. Pastors, I have Dibia. I am the pastors and Igbo in the name of religion. They have bought private jets, built schools, built universities, sorted out their generations for life. Now, they have started fleecing. They have started making money out of young people. So don't become a prey. Number 3, any Dibia that encourages and endorses fraudulent lifestyle is a suspect. I've said it that the job of a Dibia is to do what? Save. Only in a me for job. Now be an cake or help or can free for job. Or save from me for jack, you could see men. But now some Dibias you say all manner of things that they don't care whatever thing you are doing. How can you not care? And you see people say those kind of things and you are going to them. They are increasing your karmic burden. A Dibia is supposed to save you from damnation. So many people that are encouraging abductors, kidnappers, and all these ones, they will think that they are Dibias. And they will finally be caught. Because the Dibia will keep giving you promises that what they are doing for you will help you become invisible. It's not true. You will be caught surely. And you will pay. So any Dibia that endorses fraudulent lifestyle, run away from that person. If it's a fraudulent person that's introducing you to the Dibia that the person is good, run away. Number 4, any Dibia that claims to do all manner of feats, heals all manner of sicknesses, claims to be into healing, divining, teaching, sacrifice, is a fraud. There is division of labor in this Dibia. Since I have never told you that I'm a healer. I have never told you I'm into divination. It's only this teaching I'm doing. I just teach Odinani. I don't do any other thing. I don't heal the sick. I don't raise the dead. I only teach. Every Dibia must have an area of specialization. But you see some Dibia has a warrior. ha na-agwọ nta, ha na-agwọ Igbo, ha na-achụ mmiri, ha na-agha mmiri, ha na-agba afa, ha na run away from all this kind of jack of all trades, master of none. Run away. Don't be in the bid to solve your problem and compound your problem. A true dibia has specialty. Ọ na-afasa afa ahụ ka ọ na-agba, ọ nọ mmiri sọ mmiri ka ọ na-achụ, ọ nọ ọrịa onye nwe special ọrịa ọ na-arịa, nke ọ na-agba ọkpụkpụ ka ọrịa afọ, ka ọrịa okpo, ka ọrịa amụsụ, ka ọrịa, as there is a specialty. Ọ nọ nkụzi, just like I do. Dibia amụma ka mbụ, and na amụma ahụ prophecy is teaching. I have told you that the best form of prophecy is teaching, sound teaching, that will save you from trouble. Once you have entered trouble, don't come to me. Listen to my teaching so it will save you from troubles. Or listen to my teaching so that it will help you to solve your problems. Because the truth remains that you are the person that will solve your problem. You must work out your own salvation. It's a personal journey. This life is an individual affair. So anybody that is telling you that he or she is going to help you solve your problem, run away from those people. Because they'll end up compounding that problem for you. Because in the end, you still find out that you'll be the one that will solve your problem. Number 5, stay away from Dibias that resort to diabolic means of solving problems. All their problem is, if I want to call her Obunka, as a Obunka for this one. I've said it. Let me tell you, 65 or 60% of our problems requires intellectual solution to it. Everything is not metaphysics. Everything is not what? Metaphysics. As far as we are in this physical world, this physical space, most of our problem requires intellectual solution. Most problems that even in a book I have said it repeatedly. If Ogu is that powerful, let us use the Ogu to solve the problem of electricity. Can Ogu solve the problem of electricity? No. Can Ogu solve the problem of political leadership? No. Bad leadership? It cannot. Things Ogu cannot do are many. There are more than what it can do. Ogu cannot solve the problem of bad character. It cannot solve the problem of drunkenness. It cannot take up an Igbo. It cannot agriculturalize an Igbo. Our problems are more intellectual than metaphysical. I am a problem Ogu I solve. There are some problems Ogu can solve. But the ones that it cannot solve are higher. Our problem requires intellectual. And anybody that is encouraging you in Ogu is trying to tell you to suspend your brain. We must encourage our people to start thinking. I have said that what Abu does, I'm not saying Ogu, what Abu does, that's why Abu is better. What Abu does is to what? Heighten your consciousness as a human being. With that, your thinking capacity is increased. Your creative potential is increased. And that's the kind of thing, by the time you pray to Yoshi and your Ndishi regularly, that's the kind of prayer you should do. Things that will help your creative input. Ogu does not really help your creative input. Ogu is just a quick fix solution to a long-term problem. Ogu is a quick fix solution to a long-term problem. And most of our problem requires long-term solution to it. And if you want to go through long-term solution, you must put on your thinking cap. So anybody that is always encouraging you. For example, you are talking of security, that you are this one. What do you need all those things for? If you keep your hands clean, you need to care less. Is those who are into criminal activities that are always thinking of security. If your hands are clean, you think less of all those things. So stay away from this kind of Dibias that I have listed above. Please. This Odinani is a serious movement. Don't fall a victim. Stop looking for quick fix solution to problems. And that is the genesis of our problem. That's why we enter into all this, as in we meet all these charlatans. When we are looking for quick fix solutions to problems that took 50 years to create, you are trying to solve it under 2 months or 1 week. It's not possible. Let's be wise and stay woke. I also have a festival, an Afiolo festival that is coming up very soon. I'm using this opportunity to invite you people. I'll put on the invitation is on the screen. It's a 4-day Igbo festival. If you also want to support in any way if you want to support this festival in any way, it will really be pleased. All I'm doing at this Obezio at Ikolo Media is to promote and propagate Odinana. Thank you very much.
Odukokolanu anọrọ yo ihe niile na-ese n'itema ndukwu na-abịa ike n'orimiri ihe niile na-ese n'itema awanite azụ ka nri ka ọ ya ejipụ ihe niile na-ese n'itema ụkwụ na-eje wala wala ihe niile na-ese n'itema anya na-aga awa n'ọfụlụgo ihe niile na-ese n'itema nwokenye nọ n'ụlọ egwu amụọ n'ọbụ ihe niile na-ese n'itema okwu ị na-asọ anya ojedu ya ekwu ihe niile na-ese n'itema ndị gwurara uliti n'ọsọ bakashi ihe niile na-ese n'itema rie m dalo nụnụ na-egwu emebe na ihe niile na-ese n'itema.
For watching this video, if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. I would like to hear from some of you. If you have any questions, please, you can reach me through the number on the screen, or my email address, or my other social media handles. Thank you.